So I'm going to do is in this video, I'm going to teach you different ways to cut up a candle. Now this is a pillar candle. This is usually things that you can find at Dollar Tree, but I'm going to show you how to cut it up. So the first way to do it is to find the center of it. So that's this part. And you don't want to cut directly into it. You just want to apply pressure, then slowly rotate it. It's going to slowly dig into the candle. It works better if you cut the candle straight, but you know, whatever. And then you have this longer piece. Now this is something that you can put different herbs into. If you want to melt this down a little bit, maybe place it over a flame, you can melt it down, then roll into some ingredients. And with this top part, you can light this, and then you can seal over any sort of jars or seal any sort of petitions. If you want to make this into a smaller candle, you can do the same thing that you did before. Just make sure it's even lighter, that you don't cut through the string. And then once you're about halfway through, you could just break it off, twist this a little bit, not too much, and then you can have it like this. So this is something you can, like I said, roll into some ingredients, or you could just have this be a shorter candle if maybe you don't want to have a full candle size. But this is the different comparisons. So this one's a bit stockier, this one's a bit thinner, so this one is more for sealing, this is more for setting your intentions into the candle. And this last little bit, you can either melt over something just with a lighter, or you can help stabilize this by melting this to the bottom, then pressing the candle on top once you've dressed it. To know different tips about witchcraft or different ways that you can go about creating different things related to your practice, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be creating a video all about different ways that you can use these candles, and also different ways that you can recycle candles if maybe you don't have a wick, or maybe something is missing from your candle. But yeah, subscribe to my YouTube. Have a good day, night life. Enjoy yourself and be happy.